The market is live. New York Stock Exchange is open. It's Wednesday, February 25th. This is exactly what I mean when I say that we are being taught and you have an edge, a huge edge, when you learn how to identify structure and the algorithms. Here is the timestamp at 10:21 Eastern Time. Eric has posted this setup and this commentary. There could be a dual algo head and shoulders here with the yellow and magenta algorithm. If the market is kind, I'm going to blow up this image here. So again, there could be a dual algo here with the yellow and the magenta algorithm. See if the market is kind with a clear structure. Structure is looking for the patterns, be it a head and shoulder, a cup and handle. That is what's referred to as structure. We're looking for structure to form. This is 7:21. Now I'm going to go live to the charts and I'm going to show you how this played out. Absolutely beautiful. 7:21 is right here in this area. If you remember the chart, we have a left shoulder building liquidity. Eric told us to look out for, see if a structure is built. You have the buyers trying to take price up and they couldn't continue, and the sellers stepped in. This is the structure that is created. You have now created a head. There's already the left shoulder liquidity. The sellers took price down because there is liquidity here. They're using this liquidity to try a slingshot down to the 20-day moving average. If you have these penny perfect algorithms here. If you take a trade from the top of the head, 621, you have almost a 2-point drop just in 2 minutes. This is a beautiful trade. Now we're watching to see if the right shoulder forms to be able to take price down. I just want to give an example of how Eric is teaching you how to let the trade come to you by preparing for setups. Identify the liquidity and then look for structure. In this case, the structure is a head and shoulders pattern. Keep watching, keep following, keep learning from a Wall Street market wizard. There's nobody on YouTube that